Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily check your battery health on your laptop. So first of all, go to search and type CMD and go to command prompt and click on run as administrator. So this window will pop up in front of you. Now what you need to do is you have to copy this command from your video description and copy this command from here and paste it over here and just press enter. And here you will see that it is showing that enabling tracing for 60 seconds, observing system behavior. So after 60 seconds it will start to generate a file which will show the battery health that is right now of your laptop. So just hold for 60 seconds. So now after 60 seconds we need to go to the file explorer. And after that, click on this PC, double click on this PC and go to the system drive, local disk C, and click on Windows. And from here you have to go to the search windows and type system32. And if you haven't find this folder from here, so don't worry, we don't have a lot of folders here. So just remove the keywords from the search and simply search the folder names system32. Yeah, so double click on it. Now just go to the search and type energy and press enter. So you will see the first energy report. Just double click on it. So this is the report that we need. So what we need to do is we have to scroll down on this report and we will have a lot of detail in this report, but that detail that we need is the battery health. So we need to scroll down a little bit and we will find the detail that we need. So here you will see battery information. This is the information that we need. So with the help of this information we are going to conclude you that how much battery health is left. So first of all, open your calculator, go to the search and type calculator and open this calculator app. So calculator is open in front of us. Now what we need to do is, first of all, we have to write down the last full charge capacity, that is 33775. So write down 33775 on calculator app, and after that divide it with the design capacity, that is 38,000. So we are going to divide it with the 38,000 and click on equal to button, and after that we have to multiply it with 100 because we are going to check the percentage. So here you will see we have 88.8% battery health on this laptop. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.